How to use Array tool in AutoCAD. Let's try first array path at line. Type array, then enter. Select object and enter. Choose path. Select the path for which the objects will run and follow. We can change the center-to-center distance of objects. Click the items or type I, then type your desired distance and enter. In this sample, the maximum number of items that will run in a line path is 6. You can change the number of items. Select first the array object. Go to Items, change the item number. Kaya nating bawasan kapag gusto natin. Sana ganun din ang emosyon. Kaya mo i-handle nang di ka nasasaktan. To change the base point for which the items will align, type array, edit, and enter. Click base point and select base point in the item. Now let's try array path at arc. Do the same process. Ang lupit! Nakuha mo, di ba? This time, try array path at polyline. Do the same process. Another sample for you using array polar at shape. Instead of path, choose polar and enter. And select the center of the shape. You can also change the item's distance to each other and the item number in an array. Isa sa mga pwedeng gamitan ng array ay ang furniture layout and spacing kagaya nito. Are you still there? Now mirror the items to the other sides. In this sample, we will use array polar to place and spread the chairs at the table. Locate the center of the table. If there are too many items in default setting, you can change the item from 6 to 4 chairs. It's up on your design. Bahala ka po. Same process again. Oh, I remember a song.
A chair is still a chair, even when there's no one sitting there. But a chair is not...
Well, stop the music. We can use also array rectangle to spread items in a row or in a column. Select rectangle. The default settings have 3 rows and 4 columns. To change the number of rows, type R or click rows. And type your preferred number of rows.
A chair is still a chair.
To change the number of columns, type COL or click columns.
But a chair is not a house, and a house is not a home when there's no one there to hold you.
Now it's done.